There are 3 states that are issuing stimulus checks in June. All the details in this video you don't want to miss. Hey, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back again for another video. Guys, you're still so excited about Bernie Sanders because he's bringing you more money for Social Security. I hope that you guys are having a very great day. And if you've been wondering which states are sending relief payments this month, have you been wondering how much will those checks actually be? Then stay tuned because I have all that information in this video. And if you're enjoying this channel, then why not consider subscribing so we can keep you up to date on all the news. And if you want more money to hit your bank account, then smash that like button. Guys, we have some amazing news for you today. Let's dive on the screen so I can show you guys the 3 states that are offering stimulus checks this month. So right here, guys, 3 states that are issuing stimulus checks in June this month, and here is all the details. So many Americans are still hoping for a 4th stimulus check. The Biden administration is focused on combating inflation. Fortunately, help is still available for millions of Americans in need of a financial assistance. The question is, are we getting a stimulus check in June? Well, guess what, guys? You might get a relief check soon, depending on where you live. Many families have fallen into financial hardship amid soaring prices of food, gas, and other items that people need at home. Among the groups of people that are struggling right now are retirees who depend on Social Security benefits. The good news is that a number of states have come up with relief programs to cushion vulnerable residents for economic hardship. So, who's getting the stimulus check in June? At least 3 states are sending out relief payments to their residents in June. Maine is mailing $850 checks to low-income residents. You need to have filed your 2021 state income tax to be eligible for the payment. If you haven't, no worry. If you haven't done it already, the state has extended the filing deadline to October 31st. So you've got until October 31st to get your taxes filed. If you meet the deadline, your stimulus check will be there waiting for you, so you don't want to miss out on that opportunity. Massachusetts is giving $500 relief checks to low-income residents. The payments target 300,000 people with household incomes of up to $79,500. You need to file your state tax returns to be eligible for a stimulus payment. That's the 2nd state. The last state is in New Mexico. $200 and $500 stimulus checks are going out to residents. More relief checks are expected to go out in the coming months. The $250 check is for those that are filing single, and $500 check is for the joint filers. So they're trying to get this thing moving this month. Guys, I know that many of you have been asking, well, what about Florida? What about Alabama? What about Mississippi? What about Missouri? What about all these other states, Texas, that they're not on here, Arizona? Guys, here are the states that are trying to get relief checks going. They're not as far as Maine, Massachusetts, and they're not as far as New Mexico, but at least they're further than a lot of the other states who have not even proposed anything. I promise you guys that I'm staying up to date on every single state that is offering stimulus checks. I'm doing my best to research every single day, a couple of times throughout the day, just to make sure that if a state offers any kind of stimulus news, that I'm bringing it up to you guys so that way you know exactly what is going on. So it says that other states are focusing on relief programs. A number of other states are also working on relief programs for residents disappointed by the lack of a 4th stimulus check from the federal government. Here are the states that are focusing on relief programs. You've got Pennsylvania, where they're trying to offer $2,000 stimulus check. You've got Colorado, theirs was around $400. Minnesota, Kansas, and Hawaii are other states where residents could receive relief checks in the coming month. Those are the states, guys, that are trying to focus on a relief program so that way they can get checks out to you guys and get them out fast. The thing is this, we know that every state should be offering this. This shouldn't be just 3 states that are doing it. Literally every single state needs to be offering some sort of relief program, especially for those that are on a fixed income, those who can't even work, because they depend on that check, and inflation is just kicking everybody's butt, and we need more money. So guys, if you believe that every state should send out a stimulus check, then smash that like button. All right, guys, that's all the news that I have for you today. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Don't forget about our $250 giveaways that we're doing on this channel. All the information is down below. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And until next time, I'm John Miro.